Finally back with the diesel. It's been a month or so. Got distracted and kind of disappointed with a computer build that my editing software kind of has gotten squirrely. So I have to learn some new editing software or something for video. But anyhow, yeah. So I have seen Finn Hansen's videos on this engine and took a few tips. Unfortunately, I don't have a machine shop, so I can't build an injector with a smaller injector pump or a smaller injector. But I did pull all the piping off and solder the fittings so that they won't leak as much, or to stop them from leaking. And I built a little strap here to hold the pump from extending all the way up and pressing on the wedge for the throttle. So the governor should be able to work more easily now. Yeah. And then I applied Loctite to both of the valve lifters. So the camshaft has been Loctited together so it won't lose time, because the 2 set screws on each of the cam lobes is still not enough to hold on all the pressures of being a diesel engine. And I Loctited the flywheel on. Pulled the flywheel off, red Loctite all along the shaft, slid the back on there and Loctited that nut on, so that flywheel should stay put. Yeah. So hopefully that'll make this run a bit nicer, and we'll give it a try here shortly. Brief close-up of my injector pump stop fix. So I soldered a pin onto the injector pump, just like I do with my needles and stuff. So it's a cross T, and then I built this saddle loop out of copper wire because that makes it easy to adjust. And that keeps the pump from lifting all the way up, based on the advice of Finn. So hopefully that will improve the governor action. Alright, all the fresh mods are in place. I think the injector is timed properly again, so let's... Did I get my valve timing wrong while I was doing this? Well, definitely getting blowout from the intake valve. And I saw some bubbling on the injector. So we'll give that a little bit of a tighten. Alright. Try to check our timing here. It is opening a little bit early on intake, but not concerned about that so much. Definitely getting fuel in it. I'm going to try the injector timing again. Alright, well, I need to double check all my timing, I think, because as you can see, it runs and then, yeah, locks up. Oh, and my flywheel is loose again. I did that Loctite on there and let it cure for several hours before I tried this out, and yeah, the flywheel has come loose again. Alright, I also seem to have a leak on my lower fitting on my pump here, so I'm going to have to, even after soldering that, I guess I'll have to seal it with tape or something.